Hey guys, so I'm back home now. I showed you the spice shop I went to, Ninja shop I went to, where I got ground pepper. I bought also all-purpose seasoning. I bought chicken, lemon and herbs. I'm a queen of spice, you know I love spices. Onion powder, popular paprika, sazon I told you about. I bought the sazon to use for the Christmas and it's finished, and I had to buy another one. Sazon. If you have sazon, like I told you in one of my videos, you will have hit a jackpot. And equally have our chili and garlic sauce. This is a new one for me. I want to see how it's going to come out. I'm about experimenting, so I'll see this one and let you guys know how good it is in my delicacy. So today's highlight for me is this meatball beef that's made by Chief Farms. We normally buy meatballs from different brands, but she has brought something very close. So it's not a pita, by the way. Has bought this meatball. It's a peasy. All you have to, like for me, I always blend my meat, put my garlic and all my ingredients and blend and roll it into a ball with egg. I'll show you on my videos what I'm going to do, teach you how to make your meatballs the organic way. So anyway guys, I bought this one for my macaroni today. Easy peasy, right? And this one here too, I discovered along the line, maggi soya chunk. Maggi has gone a long way. It's been existing before we were born and still making with doing a lot of things. So I'm going to try this one out with soya chunk. So guys, I'm sure by the time I show you guys how it is, you'll rush to the market. This is not the video like I said. This is just to show you the things that I use and how to make life easy for you. So guys, let's try it out together. So I'm making my macaroni. Now popular golden penny pasta. I'm making my macaroni today, and these are things that I'll be using. And of course, my sesame oil. This ups the game 100%. Alright guys, I'll show you how we go. So guys, I have here my boiling water for my macaroni. I'll bring it to a boil. I have in here my salt and yeah. So guys, when you want to boil your pasta, it's very important for you to put your coconut oil and salt, then you bring it to a boil. The reason for this is so that the pasta does not stick while it's boiling, to be separated. Okay, so we'll wait for this to boil for like about 5 minutes. So this is hot oil now. I'm about to fry my cheese meatballs. So guys, our pasta is ready. It's done already. So I'm going to be mixing our sauce. I'm putting our sesame oil. I add my meatballs now to the tomato paste. Ground paprika. Like I always say, my ancestors direct me on what quantity I use. We have here chicken, lemon and herbs. I'm a fan of spices. This just ups my game. My favorite sazon spice. I use most times all my food. Focus on not the water. I'm putting my water from the macaroni. So this is the first time me trying this, so I hope it comes out well. It's soya chunks. Used for spaghetti, rice and stew. Just meat. Let's see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So let's see if it comes out well. Guy, I'm trying this chili and garlic sauce in this my macaroni pasta today. Let's just see how it goes. So guys, macaroni, meatballs, minced meat is ready. I don't know what to call this. A little bit of mix and match. I don't know what to call this today, but anyway, it's always now for exploring the kitchen. Once you have the ingredients are complete, all you have to do is let me just call this one box up. Macaroni box up with meatballs. Macaroni is ready. Our pasta is ready. I don't know what to call it today. I just did a box up today of meatballs. I want to just show off my spices. I want to just show off my new discovery of Chi Farm's meatballs and Maggi beef chunks that I came across in the market today, in the superstores today, and of course to just showcase my spices. So guys, this is it. I'm about to serve dinner for the family. This is Demlade Agbabola's plate. This is our small madam's plate. This is our senior man's plate. And I have my cousin in the sitting room. The baby you saw in the video earlier, that's her mother, my cousin. I'll be giving out, dishing out food to her. And this is for my subscribers, my viewers. Like what you see? Bon appetit. So guys, if you do so well to like my video, give us a thumbs up. And if you like one or two things, please do also to subscribe. I'm waiting. Are you still there? Subscribe guys. So anyway guys, I'll see you in my next video and out. Ciao ciao.